Hello friends, welcome! Today I'm gonna show you how to make mango and passion fruit confit. Confit I use a lot in my desserts, for example macarons, right in the center of the ganache or buttercream, and any other desserts. We need passion fruit puree, mango puree, white granulated sugar, Pectin NH, this is important ingredient, and citric acid. We need small saucepan and whisk. The first step, we need to mix white granulated sugar and Pectin NH. Pectin NH is very important ingredient in this recipe. Do not substitute with cornstarch. I'm using Sosa Pectin NH. Before making this recipe, make sure you have all ingredients and tool ready. In a saucepan, add passion fruit puree, and this is usually liquid, like a juice, and mango puree. I'm using store-bought, but you can make your homemade. Over medium heat, warm up puree, not more than 40 degrees Celsius. Then slowly add sugar mixture. And I have to repeat slowly, whisking all the time, add sugar mixture to the puree. And now continue whisking. We need to bring this mixture to the boil. The whole process of making confit doesn't take too long, just a few minutes to cooking. But the important part is that we need to bring this mixture to the boil and boil for about 30 seconds. And right here I'm not speeding up my video. I want you to see how it's boiling. It starts boiling from the sides of the saucepan, but that's not what we need. We need the whole saucepan boiling, not just on the sides of the saucepan, but also in the middle. When you see bubbles right in the middle of the saucepan, wait about 30 seconds. Still continue whisking. And then turn off the heat. Then add citric acid. And important, whisk again. And right now you have to work really fast. You have to have prepared piping bag or container. I like to use piping bag. And transfer this confit into piping bag or container right away. It's still hot, just be careful. And usually I'm placing confit flat on a countertop, just like this. Just removing any air bubbles. And then I'm placing on a baking tray and refrigerating until use. When you're ready to fill your desserts, you just take this bag, cut a little tip, and fill macarons, cupcakes, or any other desserts. Thank you for watching.